Good morning. This is Professor Shaw signing on the concept of actually. Actually, we are going towards the chapter 2 final stage that is comes under unit 1. So stage 2C we are going to cover in this class. So be listen. So before going to that, please subscribe this channel to your friends and other members. Please press the subscription button. Okay, let me start. So stage 2C. Sir, you taught us a integer number to conversion of binary means we divide by 2. Keep on dividing by 2. If you want to convert integer number to octal means keep on dividing 8. If you want to convert integer number to hexadecimal, divide by 16. So when you got real number, how to compute? So real number means decimal point will come. So 0.2 into 2 is 0.4. So carry has come, no 0. zero point 0.4 into into 2, 0.8 has come, carry has come 0. 0.8 into 2, 1.6, carry has come, right 1. Remaining is 0.6 into 2, 1.21. So 0, 0, 1, 1. We have to take like this only from top to bottom, not bottom to top. So integer part is as usual divide by 2. Real part is multiply by 2. That's the spot they discussed. Integer part means divide by 2, keep on dividing by 2. Yeah, real part, the decimal right hand side part is there, no, that you multiply by 2. That's enough. Okay. So now I'll give one more example. 0.625. This is after decimal point. So it is a real part. So what I should do, multiply by 2 or 6.625 into 2 to 1.25, 1. Okay. So 1 is the carry. But remainder is 0.25. 0.5 into 0.5, remainder is 0. Carry is 0. But remainder is 0.5. 0.5 into 2, 1.01. So I will write 0.101. 0.101. Understood or not? Again I am passing the line. So when you got a 0.2 is there, how to write for it? 0.2 means multiply by 2, 0.4, 0.4, 0.8, 1.6, 0.0, so 1, 1. So I can write 0.0011, 0011. This is the answer. 0.0011. Similarly, 0.625 is there. Into 2, I will write 0.101. I think now you understood a little bit. So it is very easy for you to study about the decimal number, how the mechanism is, because instead of division as a multiplication for you, it is quite easy for to study about it. Okay. So now next topic. So let's pass the light what it has happened. So now the question starts. Convert decimal number to binary, octal or hexadecimal. I told you already, when you got a number decimal is there, conversion of binary divide by 2, conversion of octal divide by 8, conversion of hexadecimal divide by 16. That's enough. So when you got a binary number 1920, you are dividing by 2, 960, 480, remainder all are zeros. Here we are getting a remainder 1. So finally we will write like this. Then octal means 19 divide by 8, you will get these numbers 3600. So what is the 6 meant for? 3 8s are 24, remainder is 6, that's 6. Now you state hexadecimal. So what is the hexadecimal? So 1920 is divided by 16. So 120 has come. So 7 remainder. So 8 has come now. This is hexadecimal. Till 15 we can write. So now I got a binary number 255. Convert into binary. Keep on dividing by 2. That is called a binary. Octal means keep on dividing by 8. You got it. So 255 means 31, remainder is 7. 31, 3, remainder is 7. So 377. I think now you understood little bit now. Easily can do the program, solve the problems, So when you got a number, actually 255, hexadecimal is what? Divided by 16, I'll get 15, 15. 15 is nothing but F. This 15 is nothing but F. So I'll write F, F. Like this I have to write, so F, F. Then binary number. 126 is my number. How to convert it into binary? Keep on divide by 6, you will get the number. So here 0 has come, yes, because it's an even number, we got the remainder 0. Here is the odd number, so you got the remainder 1. Studied or not? Okay. So next is octal. Octal means what? I got number 126 divided by 8. Keep on dividing by it, I'll produce. 15 is the remainder is 6. 1 is the remainder is 1, 7. So 176. Hexadecimal divided by 6. Keep on dividing by 16. So now you know 2 power 0 means 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 3 is 8. 4 is 16. 5 is 32. 6 is 64. 7 is 128. 8 is 256. 9 is 512. 10 is 1024. Now binary to decimal. Till now we come across decimal to binary. Now binary to decimal, how to convert it? So you got a number 1111011. So 1 into 2 raised to 0. Already I taught you. 1 into 2 raised to 1. Was 0 into 2 raised to 2. 1 is to 2 raised to 3. 2 is to 4. 2 is to 5. So write the number. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 4 is 16, 18. This is 0. So I will write 0 only. So this is 2. This is 1. Okay. So now you know very well about it. Very fascinating to study about it now. So binary to octal conversion is what? So I got an octal number 0. I will write 0. 1, 1, 2. Similarly up to 7. So 3 digits are there. Keep in mind. 3y plus 2 power 3 is 8. So octal number. Next we are going to see still more about it. So convert this binary number to octal. If anybody is a high frequency question, convert a binary number to octal. Till now we have come across decimal to any number to decimal. But here binary to octal, how to convert. When they give the number, no, so from the LSB you start. LSB means this part, MSB means this part. From the LSB, octal means 3 digits you take. You take these 3 digits. What is the value for these 3 digits? 110, that is 6. Next 3 digits 010. So 010 is 2. Next is what 010 is over. Remainder is 11. So 3 digits, no? You put 0. Initially you put 0. So 011. What is the value? 3. So 326 is the octal number of binary this number. Okay. So 3 digit in the octal. So hexadecimal means 4 digit will be the accuracy. Binary number. Understood or not? So how the mechanism is, I got a binary number. So left hand side, right hand side you start 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is the number. 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is D written. 1, 1, 0, 0 is not there. Nothing is then put 0, 0. So 3. 3D6. This is the answer. So again I am emphasizing you. When you got a binary number, conversion of octal mechanism is from right hand side to start. Octal means 3 digit accuracy. If no digit is there, put 0 here. And then hexadecimal means 4 digit accuracy. Understood or not? Okay. So you represent. So if anybody has a question, for example, decimal to octal or whatever it may be, you first convert into binary form. Any number convert into binary form. You want octal means 3 digit accuracy. You want hexadecimal 4 digit accuracy. Okay. Conversion of fractional binary equivalent. So what is binary equivalent? I taught you. It's a 2 power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. That's the answer. Already I taught you, so nothing to worry about the concept. So now we are going to the other step, that is convert binary to decimal. This you first dismantle the integer part integer. 11 means 1 means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, so 3. 0.0 means 0 into 2 power minus 1, 1 into 2 power minus 2. So totally 3.25. 3.01 is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2. So 3.25. Now you studied or not? Okay. Now we are going towards next step. Again the problem starts. So when you got a number of 11.011, what is the answer for it? 11 is 3, okay. 11 is 3 binary number, okay. 0.011, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. The minus. Convert binary number to hexadecimal number, octal, hexadecimal. So binary number is given, so simple. Binary number is given, convert into decimal. This, how to convert into decimal? This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will convert. Understood? Now, when you got a binary number, how to convert into a octal? When you got a binary number, how to convert into octal? Binary number, not decimal number. Binary number. So, in binary number is given, take the last 3 digit, LSB, 5, 6, 1, 0. Sir, this 3 digit, no, put 0 here if it is not there. So, 565 is the answer. So, hexadecimal means 4 digits. So, 5, so only 1 digit is there. So, put the other 2 digits 0. So, totally 175. Now, understood or not? So, when you got a binary number, you want to convert into octal, separate 3 digits from right hand side. Hexadecimal number, separate 4 digits from that. Okay. So, now, octal to decimal conversion. I got octal number, how to convert to decimal? Base 8 to base 10. How it is? 5 into 8 power 0, 6 into 8 power 1, 2 into 8 power 2, 1 into 8 power 3. That's all. Octal to binary means how? So you got a number 6213. This is the octal number. How to convert into binary? Quite complicated. So 3, what is the value for 3? 0, 1, 1. 3 digit accuracy. 1, 0, 0, 1. Because octal number, no, so 3 digit accuracy. I taught you binary to octal conversion, 3 digit accuracy, same thing. 2, 0, 1, 0. 6, 1, 1, 0. So you write as it is. That's octal to binary. 4, 7 to octal to binary. How to convert? 2 means 0, 1, 0. 7 means 1, 1, 1. 4 is 1, 0, 0. So write like that. Hexadecimal to decimal. How to convert? 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Multiply. I think quite fascinating to study about it now. So now you understood little bit now. Okay. Hexadecimal to binary. How to convert? 8BC means C into binary. Binary means how to write C is actually 1100. B means 1011. 8 means 100. So can I add similarly the binary number, addition number 2. So now you studied or not? Okay. So now binary representation for signed number and unsigned. So we have come across only integer and real part. Now we are coming towards the concept of MSB, signed or unsigned. MSB is 0, it is positive. MSB is 1, it is negative. Sign magnitude, the two forms are there. One's complement, two's complement. So what is one's complement? Everything you will study. When I got a number 1011, one's complement means convert 1 to 0, 0 to 1. That is 1011 means 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. This is one's complement. Two's complement is what? Actually, two's complement is one's complement plus 1. That is called two's complement is. That is, when you go to number 1011, it will be converted into 0100, one's complement. You add the LSB with 1, I will get the 2's complement. So what is the advantage? Complement means for negative. For example, you know only adder circuit A plus B. You want to go for A minus B. How to go for it? I will write A is the number, B complement. Complement is minus. So put plus out here. So A minus B. Plus into minus, minus, A minus B. So first take the first number, and second take the second number, complement it and add with A. First number, one element. Second number, one element, some element. First number as it is, second number complement and add. Is it easy to study about it? Very fascinating concept. keeping. See, this is the 8-bit representation of some number. So this is the LSB and this is the MSB. If it is 0 is positive, if it is 1 it's negative. What is find 1's complement of minus 24? 24 first you convert into binary. How to convert into binary 24? I got number 2 to 12 is 0. Keep on dividing, I will get the number 1100. 1's complement means, so only 5 digits we got for 24. Remaining 3 digits put it 000. I want 8-bit accuracy form. 1's complement means what? Convert 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. 1's complement is over. 2's complement means what? 1's complement plus 1. Understood? Or LSB you add 1 after 1's complement. So binary arithmetic. Arithmetic is addition. You know very well about it. So when you say y is equal to a plus 0 is 0. Nobody will learn the question. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, what will happen? It will become 0, carry is 1. This is called binary addition. Now we are going towards the concept of actually addition of two numbers. For example, 23 and 12. 23, what is the binary number? This is the binary number for 23. For 12, this is the binary number. So when you are adding 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. This is called actually, what is the value for it? 35. So next comes binary subtraction. Subtraction means what? A, B, A minus B, borrow. Subtraction borrow will come, the carry will come, here, subtraction borrow will come. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, I will borrow one value and remainder is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, remainder is 1. That is when you subtract, for example, 0 with minus 1, you will take the carry. It is a binary number, so carry means 2 will come. 2 minus 1, 1. So, not carry, borrow. 1 minus 0 is A minus remainder is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 1, remainder is 0, borrow is also 0. 0. So now you know a little bit. Now you start subtraction. I got a number 100010. How to subtract 0 minus 0? 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, so take the carry. 2 minus 1, 1. So here 0 has come because carry has gone. So 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, not possible. So 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1 is this. We will take from here. 2 minus, here it will become 1, 1, 2. Again if you take, it will become 1. Okay. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 1. So that's all. This is 0. The carry has taken out. Again he will teach you. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. Next 0 minus 1 means 2 minus 1. So 0 is 0. Here the complication starts. There is 0 here. Here also 0 is here. So 2 if you take, it will be, this will become 1. This will become 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 is 1. So this is the answer. For example, minus 21 plus 5. What is the answer? 21 you know. 5 you know. 8-bit accuracy. So 21 is the number. 1's complement is this. 2's complement is 1's complement and 1's complement plus 1. Now you add these two, I'll get the answer. This is minus 16. So how we can say, because the value is in negative form, you want to see the answer, I will say answer is minus 16. So when you want 16 is the number, 1's complement is this one, 2's complement is this. Is it not same? Again I will teach you. When you got a number 21, when you got the number 20 minus 21, that is a bigger number. Then 5. So now add these two. So that is minus 21 plus 5. So I will get minus 16. Is it okay now? Is it easy to study about it? Okay. Representing characters in memory. How to represent the character in memory? BCD, binary coded decimal. That is 2 power 6 to 64 characters we can keep in BCD. ASCII means another type of code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 7-bit accuracy, 128 characters. Next is 0 to 120. That is 2 power 8 means 256, 0 to 25. Okay. So next, extended binary code in decimal information interchange. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. IBM, launched by IBM. Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange by Department of Electronics of India. Different codes. Next is hexadecimal number comes in Unicode. Hexadecimal number will come in the Unicode. It is for Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and Kannada. So I think we are concluding the chapter. That is, we are studying about actually what I taught you was actually stage unit 3, not unit 3, unit 1. Unit 1 you have come across how to convert a integer number to decimal form, integer number in decimal form to binary, decimal form to octal, decimal form to hexadecimal, divided by 2, divided by 8, divided by 16, over. Then how to convert a octal number to binary, octal number. So octal number is there, so 3-digit accuracy will be there. Okay or not? So octal number, so I calculated everything, so don't confuse anything about it. So integer part means I will convert into that. Real part means multiply with the radix and get the carry out of it. That's more than enough. Don't confuse. So sir, we have come across so many concepts. So number system plays a vital role over here. So is it easy enough to study about it? No. So conversion of mechanism, mathematical oriented only, I accept that. But what it says is actually you got a number, it is easy to calculate. So integer part, real part means multiply by 2 and do. Okay, real part means. And when your octal number is there in fractional part, then multiply by 8. Hexadecimal multiply by 16. So you see the answer, book, everything, you will understand. Now that is integer part means divide by 2's. When your fractional part means after the decimal what is there, multiply by 2. So left hand side divide by 2, right hand side multiply by 2. That's enough. Okay. So I think now you might have come across stage 2C. So any questions dancing in your mind, you pass it to my for this phone number. I'll answer your questions. And you launch any questions, I'll intercept it. So what I want is, I request you, please subscribe this channel to your classmates and friends and staff members, so that it's easy for you to study about it and group discussion and other things. So I think this is the time for signing off. Okay. So before going, please subscribe the button and go for it. Okay. Shall I sign off now? Thank you.